Hello students, myself Dr. Richa Srivastav, and in this video lecture I am going to discuss the implementation of active filter, that is band pass filter. Now first of all, what is a band pass filter? The filter, it passes the band of frequencies, means the filter can be implemented by the cascading of low pass and high pass filter. We have this characteristics for the low pass filter and this kind of characteristics for the high pass filter, and this region, it is a band pass implementation, means this region it will give the band pass filter. This is, let us say, omega L and this is omega H. So we can implement by cascading the low pass filter and the high pass filter function. So to implement the band pass filter, we have already discussed the implementation of filter using op-amp, low pass and high pass. So we will cascade the low pass filter and the high pass filter, and that will generate the transfer function for the band pass filter. So first, the low pass filter using op-amp, this is having a feedback with resistor R1 and R2. This is R1, this is R2, and at positive side we have R and C. It is connected like this, in this fashion, and this is R and this is C, and here we have input voltage, and whatever output is generated, let us say this is VO1, it is given to the input of high pass filter. That is, we will draw the high pass filter function. This is C and this is R, and here we will have the operational amplifier, and this is the positive terminal, and at negative again we will have the resistance R1 and R2. This is R1 and this is R2, its another terminal is at ground, and this is the final output VO. These are the capacitors C and R. So this part is low pass filter and this is the high pass filter. We have cascaded the two filter. Now to obtain the transfer function, that is VO upon Vn, we know the individual transfer function for the low pass filter and high pass filter. So the individual transfer function for low pass filter, that is this first stage, this is the first stage and this is the second stage. To have the filter function low pass filter, it means VO1 upon Vin, it will be, to calculate this, here again we find out the voltage VA. So VA will be Vin into 1 upon SC divided by 1 upon SC plus R. So it is Vin divided by RSC plus 1. So if we put the value of VA, means we find out VO1 upon VA, it will be VO1 upon VA, VO1 upon VA, it will be 1 plus R2 upon R1, and put the value of VA, so it will be VO1 divided by Vin, and this is RSC plus 1, it is equal to 1 plus R2 by R1. So this implies that VO1 upon Vin, it will be equal to 1 plus R2 by R1 divided by RSC plus 1. This is the first equation, means the transfer function VO1 divided by Vin. Similarly, for high pass filter we will find out VO divided by VO1. So, for that we can find out this voltage VB. Now, in this case the VB voltage, it will be equal to R into VO1 divided by R plus 1 upon SC. So, this implies that VB voltage, it will be equal to VO1 into RSC divided by RSC plus 1. So, for second stage, that is high pass filter, VO upon VB, it will be 1 plus R2 by R1, and if we put the value of VB, we will get VO upon VO1, it will be 1 plus R2 by R1 into RSC divided by RSC plus 1. This is the second equation, means we are having VO1 upon Vin and VO upon VO1. So, if we multiply these two equations, first and second, means multiplying first and second, we will get the expression for band pass filter. So, if we multiply 1 and 2, the multiplying equation 1 and 2, it will give VO upon Vin, it will be equal to VO1 divided by Vin multiplied by VO divided by VO1. So, if we multiply 1 and 2, we will get VO upon Vin. So, VO upon Vin, it will be 1 plus R2 upon R1 whole square, and we will get RSC divided by 1 plus RSC whole square. So, now we have the expression VO upon Vin is equal to 1 plus R2 by R1 whole square, RSC divided by RSC plus 1 whole square. Now, we will open the square. So, it will be 1 plus R2 by R1 whole square, RSC divided by R square S square C square plus 1 plus 2 RSC. So, VO upon Vin will be like this, and this is the third equation. Now, the standard equation for second order filter, it is given by, if we talk about this band pass filter, it is given by Hs is equal to k dash omega naught s divided by s square plus omega naught by q s plus omega naught square. This is the standard equation. So, we will convert equation 3 into standard form. So, we will get V naught by V in as k dash, and if we divide this s square, means s square coefficient is r square c square. So, the numerator and the denominator, they will be divided by the factor of r square c square. So, we will get this as s upon r c divided by s square plus 2 by r c into s plus 1 upon r square c square. This is equation 5. Now, if we compare this with the standard equation, the value of omega naught by q, it is 2 by rc, and omega naught is equal to 1 upon rc. So, from this q will be omega naught divided by 2 by rc, and omega naught is 1 upon rc into 2. So, it will be 1 by 2. The value of q will be half and omega naught is 1 by rc. Q is the quality factor for the filter and omega naught is known as the center frequency of the filter. So, if we draw the curve for the band pass filter, this is omega and this is Hs, this is the and this is the center frequency that is known as omega naught, and omega naught by q, this factor omega naught by q, it is the bandwidth of the band pass filter. And here we can see, if we increase the value of q, the bandwidth it will decrease, means the selectivity, if we improve the selectivity, the bandwidth of the filter it will be reduced, means there will be some trade off. If we want to make the filter more selective, then the bandwidth of a band pass filter it will be reduced. So, this is the relation between omega naught and q, and in this way we can find out the resonant, or we can say the center frequency also, omega naught, which is 1 upon rc at it, and it can be controlled by choosing the proper values of r and c. So, in this video lecture we have discussed the implementation of a band pass filter using operational amplifier, and we have calculated its center frequency and the quality factor. Thank you.